Every company is racing to do more with AI. And in that rush, most organizations have raced to implement general-purpose AI tools, hoping they would solve all their efficiency problems with a better search or maybe the promise of custom-built agents. But search isn't the problem. It's never been. At Spekit, we believe that thriving in today's complex sales environment requires predicting every rep's precise needs with purpose-built contextual coaching and workflows designed to help them maximize every buyer interaction. So with this release, I'm excited to announce new capabilities designed to redefine AI and enablement by unifying content, coaching, and automation to help reps close deals faster. With our new Gong integration, we're taking call intelligence one step further. Buyer conversations now fuel the entire enablement engine, feeding Sidekick with call signals and information, generating instant follow-up actions, and soon auto-populating deal rooms with exactly the right content. By embedding Gong directly into the enablement layer, Spekit is paving the way for a future where AI automates the busy work, turning every conversation into a catalyst for action and every insight into a next step. We've redesigned AI Sidekick, your rep's just-in-time sales coach, to make it easier than ever to give them greater access to proactive, in-workflow knowledge, content, and guidance. Sidekick doesn't just answer your questions, it anticipates them. By using signals from your CRM, your calls, and communication tools like your email, it surfaces the ideal right next step instantly, turning enablement into action. This reduces ramp-up time, improves deal execution, and helps reps build stronger buyer relationships. Spekit deal rooms are also now smarter, faster, and automated to help reps launch personalized, custom-branded buyer experiences, complete with real-time buyer alerts, and the ability to monitor pipeline health and dashboards that connect content performance to revenue impacts. One-click actions make it impossibly easy to add a deck to a deal room right from Google Slides, Gong, or even their email, or even create a deal room on the fly without ever leaving their workflow. By embedding these AI-driven workflows into Sidekick, Spekit transforms deal rooms from static repositories into living, automated workflows, helping reps go from content to collaboration to close, all in one seamless motion. Enablement is only as powerful as the content behind it. That's why our enhanced AI-powered content creation experience makes it effortless to build stunning, custom-branded materials your teams can instantly share with buyers, no design experience required. We're also introducing a whole new set of capabilities from /command shortcuts to full screen editing and advanced formatting options to help every user move faster and write smarter. These updates are paired with a refreshed content management experience that lets you create visually rich page-style topics and a new learning mode that turns your playlists into engaging learning experiences. Behind it all, governance feedback loops and insights give you the visibility you've been missing. Now, any user can flag an issue, request updates, or share positive feedback directly within their flow of work. When feedback is submitted, content owners and subject matter experts are automatically notified, ensuring all updates are routed to the right person immediately without manual follow-up or triage. This isn't just a product release, it's our next chapter. Spekit is moving beyond AI assistance to orchestrate and automate a personalized experience where guidance is embedded, actions are one click, and every insight drives revenue. Check us out at spekit.com.